Burgers. They're an American staple food, and they carried into the apocalypse. But since the bombs dropped, cows now have 2 heads. That doesn't stop us from killing them and grinding them up, but luckily I have the pre-nuclear fallout recipe. So what we need is ground bison and then the rest of your normal burger toppings. I have onion, tomato, lettuce, mayo, barbecue sauce, cheese. Oh crap, I don't have the cheese. Okay, turns out I don't have cheese, but I'm going to be cooking these later, so I'll have time to get some. So to prepare our patties, we will add our bison meat to a bowl and then season however you would like. Then we'll form these into some patties. Then after a little bit of salt and pepper, we'll grill them. We'll cut our onion and tomato, then place down a bun, lay down some Nuka-Cola barbecue sauce, lettuce, onion, our severely shrunken burger patty with some cheese already on it, then some tomato, mayo, and a top bun. And here's what we've got. So let's give it a try. For me, this tastes exactly like you would anticipate a burger tasting, but that Nuka-Cola barbecue sauce, the one that I didn't like on its own, actually really makes this like, I don't even know how to phrase it right now, but I loved it. I thought that this burger was really, really good, and that sauce even stood out to me, which, again, on its own I didn't like, but worked really well. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Now, if you want to try this recipe for yourself and have the recipe that's unaltered by me, you're going to want to check out the Fallout Cookbook. And if you want to know how to make the Nuka-Cola barbecue sauce that I think really made this burger good, you're going to want to check out this video here.